Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. My name is Me. I am your English teacher. I speak slowly. I speak clearly. And today, I am not alone.
Hello, Me. Hello, everyone. My name is Daniel. I am a student. I learn English. Sometimes English learns me back.
That sounds painful, Daniel.
Yes, English can be very strong.
True, but we are stronger. Today, we have a fun topic, a very normal topic, a topic everyone knows but nobody talks about.
Oh no, is this a dangerous topic?
Not dangerous, just human. Today's topic is bathroom habits and getting ready in English.
Bathroom habits?
Yes,
Like brushing teeth?
yes,
Taking a shower?
yes,
Going to the toilet?
yes. Calmly, politely, in English.
I feel nervous already.
You will be fine. Everyone uses the bathroom, even English teachers.
Wow, teachers are human.
Please don't tell anyone. Let's start with the morning. Daniel, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30.
6:30. Nice. What do you do first?
First, I open my eyes.
Good start.
Then, I check my phone. Bad habit.
Yes, very bad habit, but very common.
Then I get out of bed. Slowly. Very slowly.
Do you go to the bathroom?
Yes, always. The bathroom is my first stop.
Good. So in English, you can say, I go to the bathroom.
Not I go to the toilet?
Both are okay. Bathroom is polite. Toilet is clear. In some places, restroom is also common.
Restroom. But I don't rest there.
English is funny like that.
Mie, can I ask a question?
You already did, but yes, go on.
How do I say it politely, like at work or at school?
Good question. You can say, excuse me, I need to use the bathroom.
That sounds polite.
Yes. You can also say, may I go to the restroom?
Very polite.
You do not need details.
No details.
Good.
Okay, back to the morning routine. After the toilet, what do you do?
I brush my teeth.
Good.
Say it slowly.
I brush my teeth.
Perfect. Do you brush your teeth once a day?
No, twice a day.
Very healthy. Morning and night.
Sometimes after lunch, if I eat something strong.
Your English is polite. Your food is not. After brushing your teeth, what's next?
I wash my face.
Good. I wash my face.
I wash my hands too.
Always a good idea. Hands see many things.
Too many things.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, every morning.
So you can say, I take a shower.
Not I make a shower?
No, please don't make a shower.
Okay, I take it. Gently.
Good. You can also say, I have a shower.
English has many choices.
Yes, like shampoo.
What words do we use in the shower?
Simple words. Soap, shampoo, water, towel.
Towel. I forget that word all the time.
Your body remembers it.
Sadly, yes.
After the shower, what do you do?
I dry my body.
Good. I dry my body with a towel.
Then I get dressed.
Perfect. I get dressed.
Or sometimes, I stay in my towel for 5 minutes.
That is advanced English. Let's talk about clothes. What do you wear in the morning?
I wear a shirt and pants.
simple and clear. You can say, I put on my clothes.
Put on.
Yes, put on clothes. Take off clothes.
Important difference.
Very important.
After I get dressed, I look in the mirror.
And what do you think?
I think I need coffee.
Very honest.
Sometimes I fix my hair.
I fix my hair. Good sentence.
Sometimes my hair does not listen.
Hair has strong opinions. Let's review some words. Bathroom, toilet, sink, mirror, shower.
Toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, towel.
Very good. You are becoming a bathroom master.
My parents will be proud.
Now let's move to the night. What do you do before bed?
I go to the bathroom again.
The bathroom never rests.
I brush my teeth again.
Good.
I wash my face.
Good.
I take a shower sometimes. Not always.
That's okay. English is flexible. People are different. You can talk about habits in English. For example,
I brush my teeth every day. I take a shower in the morning.
I wash my hands before meals.
That one is very important. Mie, can I say something funny?
This podcast needs it.
Sometimes I forget if I brushed my teeth.
Ah, yes, the great morning mystery.
So I brush again.
Very safe choice. Some learners say, I do shower.
That sounds strange.
Yes, better to say, I take a shower or I have a shower.
English likes special verbs.
English likes drama. After the bathroom, what do you do?
I leave the house.
Ready for the day.
Clean, fresh, awake.
And confident in English?
That part takes time.
Remember, everyone uses the bathroom, so learning these words is very useful.
Very real English.
Yes, real-life English, not textbook English only.
Thank you, Mie.
Thank you, Daniel, and thank you everyone for listening.
See you next time.
And don't forget, brush your teeth in English.